Hello everyone. So welcome to today's live stream. Quick disclaimer before we start, nothing you see here is a financial advice. I'm just sharing how I trade the markets in real time. You are responsible for your own decisions. So are we live? Does everything looks good? Yes. So great start of the day today. So yeah, I entered some trades yesterday. I've entered AUD CAD. We had this morning TP1 plus CP2 hit. I've entered yesterday also EURUSD. We had TP1 hit, still waiting for the price to continue, hopefully get to the TP2. I've entered the CAD-GPY, which I've shared in the Telegram group. It's the first link in the description. We did hit TP1 yesterday, moved the stop loss to the entry like always after TP1. And yeah, price is moving slowly upwards. Also entered CHF-GPY yesterday, got the TP1 hit, and yeah, we didn't touch the TP2 yet, so we stay put. So yeah, on TradingView you can see that we did touch TP2, but on my account not yet. And I've entered yesterday NZD/USD, also touched TP1 and moved the stop loss to the entry. And yeah, we are now right here. I've also added another GBP CAD trade today on premium. Hello Askarali, what have you missed? So, and now we will be trading gold. Like you know, everyone, prices are insane. So yeah, so my 70 pip stop loss doesn't work. I will be trading with bigger stop losses like yesterday, because price jumped 100 to 200 pips in seconds. So does everything looks good? Yes. And please make sure to like the live stream and subscribe. I will be looking into some entries on gold, ideally at this EMA above, or yeah, maybe down below here, but yeah, we will be waiting. So CAD-GPY trade, yeah, so make sure to turn on the notifications for the Telegram channel. We also have some news in 22 minutes, so hopefully we can go into a trade before the news. So this is the open PNL that I have now on my account. This is the TP2 position for the CAD-GPY. We didn't touch it yet, so you can see trades were posted yesterday. And yeah, let's see if we can take an entry. So with, I believe it will be 150 pips at the 18 or 19 level. So we are close now. So and please do not copy trade me. This is insane what we see right now for gold prices, and I don't advise anyone to trade gold. So yeah, I've entered at 21, I believe, or 20. Let me see. At 21, let's see. The stop loss will be 150 pips. The take profit will be 300 or 400 pips. 150. The TP1 will be 100, so 21 to 11. The stop loss will be at 36. And yeah, let's see if we can get a good entry. I've also lowered my lot size. The TP2 will be at 200 pips at 0.1, and the TP3 will be 36. TP3 will be at 300 pips, so 48.91. So yeah, let's see if we can get this trade or not. My entry, like I've said, was at 21. And like I told you guys before, do not copy trade me, and do not trade gold. Maybe I will increase the TP3 after that, but let's get to TP1 at least. 21 at 11. TP1 is at 100 pips. The TP2 is at 200 pips. 01. The TP3 will be at 300 pips or more. Let me see. TP3 is at 91. So let's see if we can get some profits with this trade. I will try to open my MetaTrader. Yesterday it didn't want that. Great. So you can see everything with the position, with the entry, with the stop loss and everything. So let me know if you have any questions, and let's hope gold will break this EMA right now, because I see that it's rejecting it and don't want to be stopped out, to be honest. Hello SZ, what's up bro? How are you? So I'm thinking about, let me see, the premium, and I will share, I believe, this trade if I get the price to the entry 4921, 4911, that's 100 pips, 4901, that's 200 pips, and 4891, that's 300 pips with 40. I don't think I will be able to share this trade with the premium group, but they already received some trades from me that I took, but gold price is moving too fast. I think the price now is at entry. I will share this trade. So how to do daily analysis? It depends on the pair that are you doing analysis to it. And yeah, if you want to take swing trades, I believe EMAs are the best indicator. My EMA is the one that I have here. The fixed ones are the best indicators for the daily bias and everything. So let us at least get to the TP1, then I will go to another chart and explain to you the process. So, and don't forget everyone to like the live stream, share it also with your friends who are trading, and let's see if we will get a good trade now or not, because I see many multiple, that's 1, 2, 3 and now 4 rejections of this EMA, let's say. And yeah, of course I don't advise copying me or copying my trade, or I'm not a financial advisor, and this is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Also, yeah, I'm sorry for being late today, so I had many things to do. So we are moving towards the TP1. Let's see. So we were at 9,000 open PNL for the day. We are now at 16,000 using a lower lot size 2.5. So TP1 is hit. Let us move the stops to the entry at 21. So stops are now at entry and we are now risk free. So you can see stop is at entry, and let me quickly update that. So that's TP1, it's at 100 pips. Could you show your EMAs for a second, because I deleted mine and forgot settings. Yeah, here you go. And concentrate on the time frame, please. Make a screenshot. So yeah, let's see. Let's see if we can. Yeah, you're welcome. Are we still in the trade? Go down. What the hell? If we would be stopped out at break even, let me see, we are out from the trade. So yeah, let me think about. I think there's still an opportunity here, even higher, for example right here. So at 22, let's see. And yeah, the TP will be at 300 and the stop loss will be at 150. Let me see. And if I can get the 22 entry. Yes, I got it, I believe, but price is moving so fast. 22. Yes, the TP1 will be at 12. The stop loss would be at 37. 37. Stop loss is the most important thing. 02. Because you don't want the price to jump. 37 and 40.92, 48.92. So what I was saying, the stop loss is the most important thing. You don't want the gold, especially gold, to turn back on you and you found yourself without a stop loss and with the big account risking hundreds of thousands of dollars. So this is will be at 12. This will be at 02 for the TP2, and this will be at bad timing, to be honest. I will close the trade once I got in profits, because I will not close the trade. Maybe I will move the stop loss to the entry because we have 10 minutes for the job openings. So yeah, I think I will close the trade. Let's see. We still have 10 minutes. It's a very risky trade, to be honest. Because one, the price is doing this. Yeah. And two, we have news in 9 minutes. But yeah, I see we can't surpass this small, very small level right here. So I still believe in this trade. But if we approach the news, I will close if I'm in profits. The price is a bit of drawdown, as you can see right here. Why the chat is so quiet today? Come on, come on. Move down. And I'm so exhausted after school. Yeah. I hope you are not in this trade. Because, yeah. 8 minutes till the news. I don't like this. At all. Especially with this big candle right here, this engulfing one. Great, great. This is great. You see? Let's hope this will act as a resistance. Or I will be stopped out. Come on, come on, come on. But I think I'm looking good today. So today I'm up 10,000. So if I lose this trade, I think I will lose this whole 10,000, I believe. This candle looks good, this last bearish one. Let's hope the next one will be bearish too. I will be even closing earlier if we stay like this before the news. Yeah, I don't like this. Why I entered this trade, I was following the market structure of this lower highs. So it was logical to do a lower high here, then move down. But yeah, you can't be 100% sure. Let's talk about life. Are you planning on buying some car in the future? If so, which one? Some car. No, to be honest, I don't have anything in mind. Maybe the next RS6 that will be out. Maybe. What other cars? I'm looking for a C63 W204, the 2007-2008 model. This is one of my favorite cars of all the time. Yeah, but a car now? No, I don't think so. I believe you were in the live stream yesterday, SZ, or not? Because yeah, my mind is so busy with that challenge that I was talking about yesterday. I want to do something good. Even if I lose the challenge, the reels needs to be great. I wasn't was. Yeah, I told you guys that yeah, I'm planning to do a challenge from $1,000 to $1 million, risking 100% per trade, aiming for a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. So if you do that 10 times, you will be at $1 million. So I'm planning to do a challenge series on Instagram and on YouTube also to grow my social account, and it's a really interesting challenge. What do you think about that? And of course, I will not be, yeah, there is a 5% chance or a 3% chance that I will succeed in the first go, but I think it will be so entertaining and also will help me grow again on the social media. So 17, let's see, looks good. What's this? Is it USD? Yeah, we are approaching the break even. I think I will move my stops to the entry 22, I believe. Let's see. We have 3 minutes left for the news. It's so fucking hard. Yeah, it's so extremely hard. To be honest, that's not trading. That's simply having fun. This is now how you can trade. But yeah, mathematically, if you can trade a 1-to-1 setup 10 times, risking 100% each trade, you will be at $1 million if you start with $1,000. But the goal of this challenge is to grow on YouTube or to grow on social media, and hopefully maybe I can make it. 58. So I believe I will go out from this trade because I will go out from this trade because I don't want to risk. The trade is gone, so I closed the trade. If you can see here, yeah, I closed the trade right here because I don't want to be drilled by the spreads of the news and yeah, everything. That's why I closed the trade. Let's wait for the news to end, then I will be trading again. So we did got the TP2 hit for the CHF Let's see. ADCAD, still nothing. USD, CHF yeah, I think, I don't know, to be honest, if someone did it before this challenge, but yeah, it's mathematically possible if you get 10 trades in a row, risking 100% every time of your capital. It's it's pretty possible with mathematically, but the problem is with if you lose one trade, you lose all. So yeah, we touched the TP2. NZDUSD is approaching our break-even point. Let's get back to gold and see what will happen now. Yeah, we already at break even. Yeah, oh, fortunately I've been able to take, so let's see, 3k. NZDUSD touched the break-even point, so we are out from this trade. And let's see what will happen in the news. So like I was saying, I don't know if someone did it before, but it's possible. Because yeah, yesterday I've explained the logic. So yeah, if you want guys to explain that again, no problem, just let me know in the chat box. But starting with $1,000, risking 100% per trade. After 10 trades, you will have 1 million. So the news are doing nothing, no problem. So yeah, the lower high that I was speaking about is this one. We did go in a bit of drawdown. So yeah, so far I'm out of this trade, closed it manually. Will it affect your analysis? I mean, will you look for more confluence? I don't know, that's the problem, because at the 9th trade you will be risking 500k to make 1 million. So it will definitely affect my psychology and everything, you know. So imagine leaving 500k on the table, how your brain will react. Imagine that. So that's why it will be fun. So but my calculations yesterday were, so even if I tried this challenge 50 times, so I will lose 50k, and if it works one time I will be up 1 million. So 1 million minus 50k, that's 950k. So even if I try this challenge 50 times, if I try it 100 times, I will have 900k. Yeah, because yeah, like I was saying yesterday, let me give you the math. The first trade you will be risking 1,000. The second you will be risking 2,000. The third you will be risking 4,000. Then 8,000. Then 16,000. Then 32,000. Then 64,000. Then 128,000. Then 256,000. Then 512,000. Then 1 million. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. No, this is yeah, this is the initial capital. The first trade is the 2,000. This is the first one, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, the eighth, the ninth. 9 trades. I just need 9 trades to be able to flip from 1k to 1m. 9 trades. Imagine going, for example, let me give you an example. Imagine I'm selling now gold here. The stop loss will be 150k, 150 pips. The TP will be 150 pips. And I'm risking 500k. Imagine that. Imagine I'm at the 8th trade. Imagine that I'm at my 9th trade, risking 500k for the price to move this much to make 1 million. Yes, Stefan, you're right. You're right, bro. but it's possible. And my goal with it, is not make 1 million, to be honest, is to go on social media, because even if I don't succeed, socials will be grown, and if I will succeed, it will be, yeah, amazing. If I succeed, or at least get to 100k, I will make sure to create a Telegram channel especially for this challenge, and yeah, do some live stream, some private live stream, and anyone who wants to participate, he can join. But now I don't encourage that. I only do that because I can afford that. But for people who are short of money, I don't recommend that at all, because your mind will be fucked. Because like you see, when I was in this trade and I've seen news coming and price acting weirdly, so even I, with this account with 500k, it's a real account by the way, I was stressed out and did get out from the trade. So this is human nature. Imagine putting 500k into one trade. That, yes, Wolnai, I will be, so my math is to keep my mindset clear. I will count every number as 500 as $1,000. Even if I see 500k, I will find a way to count it as 1k. Yes, but yeah, it's also hard to get 9 profitable trades in a row, risking that much. But yeah, maybe I will. So with these conditions that you see here, these are not ideal for that. But if I can see that the price is respecting, for example, yeah, let's say we broke this small EMA right here, then we did go down and we broke it again. So next time I will be entering right here, putting the stops under this high that you see here. So let's say 120 pips, targeting 120 pips. So I will be up in 1 minute, exactly 1 minute. Let's say I entered here exactly when price touched this EMA. My stop loss will be under these highs too. So something like this. Let's do 120 pips. So this is the second trade, and let's say I've entered right here. Price will be under this wick right here. So let's do 120 pips again, because this is easy for gold to do that. So these are 3 trades. So let's do the fourth one. It will be, you will need to look for the latest high or the latest low. The latest high is here, so I can't do the stop loss right there. The logical place is here. So yeah, it will be under these lows. So 150 pips. This is the fourth trade. So in this trade I took 1 1000 to here I have 2000. So here I flipped 2000 to 4000. Here I flipped 4000 to 8000. Here I flipped 8000 to 16,000. So 4 trades. Then maybe I will enter right here. So and do the stop loss under this high here, because these highs are high or low, it doesn't matter. So let me do 120 pips again and 120 pips again. So yeah, we were at, this is 2000, this is 4000, this is 8000, this is 16,000, this will be 32,000. And let's see, I get here, you see this, let's call it an order block, or yeah, 150 pips or 120 pips. So we were at 32, we are now at 64. Then I go right here, then I lose everything. You know what I mean? So we did got, let's see, 5 trades in a row. Then the 6th one, you are cooked. But these are proving a concept. This is possible. It's extremely hard, but it's possible. Even with a very, very, very simple trading strategy like this, only following the EMA. But you don't need the price to be like this. You don't need the EMA to be in the middle, you know? I need a trend. I need a trend when price is touching the EMA, is reacting to the EMA and continuing. You know what I mean? Like here, touching, continuing. Yeah, this, a trend like this. You see how much entries? So I just need to have a trend like this when I can have 9 entries. Every single entry will be profitable. That's all I need. That's why I told you it's possible. So yeah, we are at 7,000 open PNL, great. And today we are at 13,000, and today is Thursday. Let's custom period, let's do from Monday until today. I'm up 32, great. And let's get today only. So let's see. %90 of the trades you see here today were shared yesterday on the premium. So let me know, everyone, if you have any question. Just also don't forget to like the live stream and subscribe. And yeah, the challenge that I was talking about, I think I will start it very soon. I will let you know on Instagram first thing. So this is my Instagram at Daxon Trades. Just make sure you follow to be notified. I will share it on the stories, and also I will share it on Telegram. And I have an honest question for you, everyone. What do you think about what I did lately on Telegram? of yeah, offering free access to Telegram for 30 days, eh, yeah, completely for free if you use the broker that I'm working with. And for people who don't want to change their brokers or don't have the $500 minimum deposit, they can simply go and buy, for example, 15 days access or lifetime access. What do you guys think about that? Because I really need your opinions. I'm waiting for your messages. So gold is in a range since 7 hours now. This is a range, if you can see. So we were trending in the night, then we are now in a range. Come on guys, answer me about my question. Yeah, I was asking about what do you think about, yeah, what I did on my Telegram. So because, yeah, access to premium was always free if you deposit $500 with the broker that I'm working with. And yeah, now I switched the models, so you can get 1 month free access if you do that, if you yeah, deposit $500 with my broker. But for people who don't want to change their brokers, they can simply go to my Whoop page and pay. So because I got hundreds of messages before about paying to get access, but I, oh, yeah, I wasn't accepting payments, you know. 30 days is okay, brother. What do you, yeah, what do you mean about 30 days is okay? You're speaking about the premium access for 30 days if you use the broker, or a paid plan for 30 days. Also, for people depositing more than $1,000, they will get lifetime for free if they deposit, if they use my broker, you know. So let's see how the price will react to this EMA. Maybe I will go in, maybe. No, already broke it. I don't like when EMAs are flat like this white one. That is okay. Okay, because I really want to do what people want, because I had so many messages earlier back then from people wanting to pay and don't want to change their brokers. That's not a problem at all. So let's see where we can get an entry, because yeah, we are now ranging between here and I believe here. So we are inside this range. Using same broker and got access for 30 days. Okay, so Limatrek, I think this is your first time on the live stream. Welcome, bro. Happy to see you here. So where did you came from? Did you came from YouTube or Telegram? And also, where are you from? The problem with the brokers that there is so many scammers out there who are exactly copying the broker's website and do exactly a website like them. Then when you deposit your money, it's completely gone. This is the problem. This is why so many people doesn't want to change their brokers, and also there is so many brokers that are scamming people and don't want to give them their deposit back. So we can see here that we broke this EMA and we retested with this wick. Let's see if we can get another. Yeah, you can access for 30 days for free, but if you don't want to change your broker, you can get the 15 days access. If you don't want the 15 days access, you can simply get the lifetime here on Whoop DAX and trades, I believe. So here, one option, you can get the lifetime. This one-time purchase is the lifetime. You can stay in premium for as long as I'm alive. Yeah, too many people are not with changing brokers. Yeah, we missed an entry right here. I hope the price would come back and give us another entry. I'm originally from Morocco, but I've spent 50% of my life living between Spain and Germany. Yeah, we missed an entry, but I find Morocco way better than Spain or Germany, and also I'm living in the north of Morocco, so I can get in Spain in 10 to 15 minutes. This looks good. Have you been here before? Because I'm here. The pictures you see on Telegram is from, it's in Morocco. Oh, forget about it. Let's wait. I see a small structure here with these highs. Maybe this will be a higher high. Maybe we will end this range because we are printing higher highs and higher lows here, but we need to be patient. But yeah, the structure looks okay. Maybe we will do something like this. And on the 1 minute time frame, it's not that reliable, but price is doing the exact same thing that I was talking about. And price is moving so fast, it doesn't give you the chance to blink. Not that I don't like the 1 minute, but yeah, since last Thursday, gold especially is acting crazy. If we go to the, yeah, you see last week's the 1 hour candle were so small, you see, but since Wednesday, yeah, the first candle happened on Wednesday, then we have so much bigger candles right now. Yeah, you see. Will gold tap 5,000 today? 5,000 today. It's here. Here. Let's see the bigger picture. Let's go to the daily. Sorry. Maybe. Absolutely possible. But yeah, don't forget that, yeah, we have these EMAs here, but with the right events happening, gold can even tap the all-time high today, but I don't think so. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8. Yeah, I'm looking for yeah, you see, let's do 1 entry per day. The day has opened here. You do the stop loss under the previous day low, and yeah, let's see, 250 pips, 250 pips. So yeah, then you do an entry here, here. Yeah, then you pass the challenge that I was talking about of flipping from 1,000 to 1 million, because the daily time frame is so strong. But right now I don't like that this EMA it's in the middle. And what about selling gold here with 150 pips It's in the middle of nowhere, but let's wait for the price to come to this area like right here and see, because I will add one trade, then I will sign off. So, and 300. Too much noise. It's not noise. You can trade this very good, but you need to be fast and not on the live stream. Don't forget, guys, that live stream takes a lot of your effort, you know, not like sitting in front of your trading setup without talking, without saying anything, just concentrating on the price. But yeah, you can trade these what's called, yeah, you can trade gold in a profitable way. Yeah, not too much noise, especially for gold. Nothing is too much noise, so price follows the structure, because like you see here, this is a very small structure of the higher highs and higher lows, and this can happen on the daily time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, and on every time frame. But the problem is price is moving too fast. So even if you go in right here, for example, you did go in, or your MT4 on the phone, the second you go to your phone to see where the stop loss will be, you will be stopped out. That's the problem. But yeah, I will enter another trade and sign off. So we are 1 hour in the live stream. Now please go up. And I don't like today's conditions, because you see how the price is not respecting this EMA at all. So it was respecting it right here, but yeah, it goes through this EMA like nothing, and I don't like trading because price can do whatever it wants, you know, not like respecting the EMA. You can simply rely on it, and for example here, go in whenever the price touch the EMA. But yeah, if you are a profitable trader, you know that 70% of the time the market is not trending. You need to adapt. But yeah, I really like this mini structure that we have here. So this one, from this candle, something like this. Let's see if the price comes and touch here, do some rejection, then I can take a position. Something like this. See if the price reacts to this. Yeah, you see, the moment I see on my phone, the price has moved for 50 pips. Entry would be at 12 or 13. Yeah, price is now at 12 on my broker. Why it's on, yeah, trading view is so late. 11, 9. No, I don't think so. Don't think I would go in. But price didn't broke this wick right here, so we still have a chance. You can't talk and execute. Let's wait. $16 must be the wick, must be wick. Yeah, I'm waiting for the price to come back a bit to this zone, but it doesn't want that. Because we didn't broke this wick, so price reacted immediately on it. So I will wait for the price to come back to 12 or 13 so I can go in. You know, I have my phone open like this, so I can take the trade when I see that the price reached my level, because on TradingView it's way slower than the MT4 terminal. It's at 14 right now. Come on. That's 16, 17, yeah. 19. I think in this candle it will go down. Come on, come on, come on. $15. $15, come on, go down more. Doesn't want to break the 15. You need to be very patient with these conditions. 15, 14. Come on. 19. Was at 13.9. Let's take a look on the other trades that I have opened. Yeah, this trade is already gone. We were stopped out at break even after the TP1. CHFGPY is looking great. CADGPY also, the one that I shared on my free Telegram. It's the first link on the description. USD looks great also. DCAD also still looks great. So this is what I like the most about Forex pairs. You can trade Forex pairs without the stress that you see here, the price jumping hundreds of pips, and without the extreme manipulation you see on gold. Come on, you don't want to get to my entry. But yeah, overall, I somehow predicted this move. Let's see if it will react to this EMA. Yeah, it's reacting to it. Let's go to the 15 minutes, to this range that we have here. So this is an accumulation that you see here. So after accumulation, manipulation, then expansion, always. So you can see the price doing this. Then it doesn't usually break out, for example, to the upside. It takes liquidity from people who have all their stop losses here. That's why it's called the manipulation. So it's the liquidity grab, then it shoots up. But yeah, I'm not trading that. I'm just trading small market structure now and momentum. You see how the price is reacting to this EMA and doesn't want to break it. So I will go in one last time and the stops will be above this. Please do not copy trade me. This is extremely risky. You see how the price is reacting. So 21, I believe it's my entry. And let's do 150 and let's do 100 for the TP1. So it's logical 150. So my entry is at 21. I think, yes. 21, 100 and 150. If I lose this trade, I lose this trade. 49.36. Let's get with the stop losses first. 36. I don't want to have an open stop loss trade. 49.36. So for the first TP it will be 911. For the second one will be 01. And for the third one will be 300. It will be 48.91. Something like this. So, and here is the trade. Let's see. So everyone, don't forget to subscribe, because we are growing super slow. Please help me out with your subscribe. and also with liking the live stream. And let's see what will happen right now. I'm in the trade, if you can see here. So this is my entry, this is the stop loss, and yeah, let me get the TP levels. 11, that's the TP1 for 100 pips. TP2 will be at 0.1. 0.1, and the TP3 will be 48.91. If you have any questions, just let me know. Let's see if we can win this trade or not. Also, we are today at 13,000. So if we lose this trade, we will be losing a chunk of this 13,000. So we don't want to break this high, we don't want to break this high if we want to stay in the trade and not be stopped out. So for us to get to the TP1, we need to break this wick, so we don't have that much levels down below. But yeah, let's see. And please do not copy trade me. Like I told you, this is extremely risky to trade gold with these conditions. And I've also have, I think, 9,000 open PNL on other trades that I'm in, the Forex Majors. So even if I lose this trade, no problem. So this is the exact mindset that you need to have when trading. So stay completely relaxed. So if you lose a trade or something. 24, we are 30 pips in drawdown. And also, if you have any questions, just let me know. Chat is becoming super quiet, and yeah, want to chat with you. Are you sure? So when I watch my live streams or see the videos that I make, I find that I talk super slow, and I hate that. So we are in big drawdown. I hate that. That's why when, for example, when I did that YouTube video on my channel, my voice speed is 1.1 because I found it really slow. I'm talking really slow because I'm not a native English, of course. So I can speak multiple language. I speak Spanish, I speak French, I speak German, I speak English, and I speak Arabic too. Yeah, but the difference between the 1.0 and 1.1 for the voice speed is not that noticeable. But yeah, I personally don't like it. So let me get my other phone. This EMA is now acting as a support. So from the start of the day, not from the start of the day, for the last 9 hours, price was not respecting this EMA at all. Yeah, exactly. People who watch you understand you because you told slow. My English is basic. I understand you great. So I'm happy about it. And please, guys, don't forget to follow me on my new Instagram. I will share the link with you here on the chat because growth has been super slow. Don't know why. I'll send you the link. And I will pin the message. So looks like we are heading straight to the stop loss. Yeah. Are we out? Not yet. We have another trade for the GBP CAD that I've entered this morning, approaching the TP1. Let's see. GBP CAD, yeah, looks great. We out? I think so. There's 99% that I will be stopped out. Hopefully you guys didn't enter because I repeated it hundreds of times that you don't copy trade me, especially on gold. Yeah, thanks for the follow. So are we still in? Is this in this trade? Because on trading view you will suspect that we've been stopped out right here, but yeah, on MT4 we are still in the trade. And yeah, let me show you guys. So this AUD CAD that I had before, so let's wait for the gold either to touch the stop loss, and let's show you what people in premium get. And yeah, they get my exact trades. You can see this AUD CAD trade, we touched the TP1, TP2, we still have the TP3. Here is the TP3 on my real account, if you can see right here. So the second trade is the EURUSD. I have 2 positions still opened. So yeah, we touched the TP1 right here. We didn't touch the TP2. So I moved the stop loss to the entry, if you can see right here. Yeah, the entry was at 69.60 and the stop loss it's at 69.60, of course. The CAD-GBPY that I shared yesterday on the free telegram is this one. So TP1 was hit, but not TP2 and the TP3. CHF-GPY, I've entered this trade also yesterday. TP1 was hit, TP2 was hit. We still have TP3 open here for the CHF-GPY with the stop loss, of course, at entry. The CAD-GPY I've entered this morning. This is this one. So we are approaching the TP1. NZD-USD, we touched the TP1. We did got stopped out here at break even. That's why you don't see the the NZD-USD there. And for gold, we have 50 pips or 60 pips for the stop loss. These are all the trades that I have opened on my MT4. If you have any questions, just let me know. Since, yeah, we have 90% chance that we will be stopped out on this trade. So I will not be up 13,000 today, but I think somewhere 7,000 to 8,000 if I don't enter any other trade, or even less. Come on. I don't want to be stopped out. Am I stopped? Yeah. Am I out? Yes. I'm stopped. Yeah. I'm out of this trade. What the hell? What's this? You see? Do you guys see this? Super funny, but I will be stopped out eventually, I think, because yeah, we are following a clear up structure here. I don't think we will be simply go down like this with the bearish candle. It's too, the probability is too low. Yeah, I've been stopped out. So how you see the price is lagging on trading view. I don't know, price opened with a gap. But yeah, overall, I'm still looking good. Let's see, 10,000 open PNL, and today I'm up 2,000 for this loss. I of course didn't share this trade with premium, so no problem, because yeah, something that is very risky, I don't share it in my premium Telegram. So thank you everyone for being with me here in the live stream. Let's meet tomorrow for another session, and yeah, make sure to follow me on Instagram, also like the live stream and subscribe, and let's meet tomorrow. Thanks so much.